Hello guys, my name is Vipul. From today, I am going to start a new series on machine learning in which I am going to cover end-to-end machine learning applications and how we can develop it practically. So in this series, I am going to demonstrate how we can pre-process the data to build model and deploy it on a cloud or in a Docker container. So stay tuned for further videos. So in this video, I am going to teach you about how you can install Anaconda Navigator in your PC. Okay, for now I have Windows 7 installed on my PC, so that's why I'm going to demonstrate only how you can install Anaconda into the Windows. If you want to install Anaconda distribution or Anaconda Navigator into the Mac or Linux, uh, just Google it or check it out on YouTube. There is a lot of content or lot of videos are available there, which shows how you can install Anaconda Navigator into the Linux or Mac. Okay, so let's get started installing the Anaconda Navigator. First of all, just on a desktop, just go on my computer, right click on it and click on these properties. Okay, and just check for system type. So my system type was a 64-bit operating system. Maybe some of you are having 32-bit operating system. It's fine. Okay, just and then to download Anaconda Navigator, just go on a Google. Okay, just go Google. Okay, here Google and type Anaconda download. Okay, Anaconda download. Just click on this link and individual edition. Okay, and open it, and when you open this link, just scroll it down up to this point. Anaconda installer. When you see Anaconda installer, in which there are different distribution of Windows, Mac, and Linux is there. So choose between the 64-bit or 32-bit. Mine was a 64-bit. As seen here, my system type was 64-bit. So I am going to download this. Just right click on it, click on the new tab and start downloading. When it completes, okay, I'm going to cancel it because I have already downloaded it. So when it completes, you are going to see the Anaconda installer like this. Okay, this one. Just double click on it. Just wait for some time. It's going to load and just click next. Click on I agree just for me, and I'm not going to install it on C drive. I'm going to choose Anaconda. So I'm going to define this path, and it is not necessary, but you may go also with the default, but I'm going to choose this one because after some time this setup is going to take much more space. Okay, that's why I'm going to change its location. So click on next and just click on install. It starts installing on your computer. I'm not going to click on install because I have already installed it, so I'm going to cancel it. Okay, so just close it, close this Chrome, close this one also, and come on start. Okay, just click on start, type Anaconda. Okay, you are going to see this Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda prompt. Okay, you are not going to see a PowerShell. Just click on this Anaconda Navigator. Just wait for some time, it's going to open. Okay, so now Anaconda navigator is opening. Okay, it's loaded. Okay, so when you install the first time, just click here, install. Just came here home. On home tab, just see here Jupyter Notebook. Okay, just click here install. I have already installed it, that's why it's not showing the uh, install button, it's showing the launch button. But in your PC, maybe this one was a, if you are not installed Jupyter Notebook previously, then it's going to show you install. Okay, so close it now. So when you close Anaconda navigator, just click here, search for command Anaconda prompt. When you close Anaconda navigator, just go to start, search for Anaconda and right click on it and run it as administrator. Press yes. If you ask any yes or no, just press yes and wait for some time. So when your Anaconda prompt open, see here seen the administrator. It means that you have opened this Anaconda prompt into administrator. Okay. So now we are going to create a new environment. Okay. So for that, just type conda create dash name and your environment name. I'm just going to mention it as a test. So and type it and press just enter. So now it is going to make a new environment name test. It will take some time, so wait, just wait, do nothing, just press yes or no. So it is asking for yes or no, so press Y on keyboard and just press enter. To activate this environment, type conda activate test. So see here guys, see here already it is showing a base environment, means your basic environment when you start Anaconda prompt. So your now new environment name is a test. So see guys, when you press enter, your base name is interchanged with test. So it means that you have created a new environment named test. A new, it means that you have create it means that you have created a new virtual environment named test. So now we are going to install dependencies. To type pip install numpy pandas matplotlib sklearn and Jupyter and just press enter and wait for some time. So guys, I have already installed all the dependencies, that's why it is showing the requirement already satisfied. Okay, so now we are going to launch a Jupyter notebook in through our Anaconda prompt. So see guys, type command Jupyter notebook. Just type and press enter and wait for some time. So guys, when you type this Jupyter Notebook command in Anaconda prompt, this type of text is appear. So copy this href link. So I am going to Control C and close this window and gonna open Chrome. So guys, when you copy paste link into the Chrome and enter and press here, see here, this is new. Click on it and select Python 3 and it will create a new notebook in which you can import numpy and import pandas. Just click here cell and run cell. So see guys, this cell was execute. I am showing one more example. Just click here, insert and cell below. Insert cell below. Show see here. It shows a B. Just first click on this. When this line gets blue and type B, so it will insert one new code cell below. And now just we are going to perform simple addition 10 plus 10 and just click on this cell and click on run cell and see here output is 20. So it means that our notebook is working fine. You can rename here notebook whatever you want to know. So I'm going to rename it as a test. So and click on rename. So here see here it was changed. So now we are going to close this tab and just close it, close this one also. So this one also. So now guys, in our next video we are going to study about how we can load different types of data set into the Python so that we can use it for pre-processing and training a model. So stay tuned and goodbye guys.